You know I'm remorseful, though.
How? How do I know that?
What, do you want me to be on my knees crying all the time, saying I'm sorry?
Yes. That's exactly what I want. Is that normal? Or do I need more therapy? Okay, well, I couldn't help but ask because,
Hey, I love you, and I am sorry. And I am so sorry that you still have to think about that, and that it comes up in your mind, and that you hurt over it. I won't ever make choices like that again.
Okay, this is great, guys. And now, putting aside whether or not you'll be able to take this out of here, I'd like to ask the both of you, isn't this a more satisfying conversation as opposed to the one you were having before?
yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
I think, to me, this is way healthier than what we were doing, what I was doing.
Me too.
I was closing off and acting childishly, and that wasn't helping anybody.
It's about you putting me into your routine and treating me the way you treat all the other things in your life that you do regularly.
Well, I can't do that by myself. And that's part of it. I need your help.
I can't unless you show me how, because what I'm doing right now clearly isn't working. It's like you're telling me to open a safe, but you're not giving me the numbers.
I know.
Because you're a good person. And I should be happy to have you because of all the things that you do and the things you put up with. Sometimes I feel like I'm asking for too much, and so I should just be happy with what I have because, you know, I do want to be with you.
I want to be with you too, but not like this.
Nona, you expressed other things besides the anger. And Elizabeth didn't shy away. Instead, she listened and she responded. Because of that, I think the two of you felt a lot closer. We'll try to keep working on this together as we go forward.
Yeah, but she did touch my leg. Look, I'm sorry if I took it the wrong way or something, but if she didn't want to do anything, then she was, sending me mixed signals.
Okay, so to me it sounds like there was a slightly different trigger that was emotionally upsetting to both of you. Brian, you remember Alexis sighing loudly, and Alexis, you remember Brian stroking your arm.
I know Brian's not using me for sex, but something then switches in my head, and then making love starts to feel like being used, and I just want him to stop. I just want to stop feeling like my mom.
Now, why wouldn't you ever tell me that? You know I wouldn't want you to feel that way.
Because I didn't know how much of your past you were still holding on to. You're not a failure, and I hope that you don't think that you are. It was really helpful to talk about how I feel, but more importantly, to hear about how you feel.
Yeah, I agree.